Hello, let us explore some of the features of the Moodle backup. First of all, if you see here, I am having a site at genomio.com and this is the site home. So let us try what will happen if I take a backup from here. So apparently if I click here, there is a backup option. It may give a false impression that it is going to take the backup of all the sites, right? So here I just say jump to final step, continue. So it has created one file, say this backup, so I can download this. You see it's a very small file, 2.3 kilobytes. So just download this and I have saved that to my local directory, backup Moodle 2. And now we go to site home again, and I have one course here, say science with clarifies. Now let us take the backup of this course from here, say backup, so we can do this to save time, say continue. And now you see here this file is 4.5 megabytes and the earlier backup was only 2.4 kilobytes. So that itself tells you that that initial backup did not contain many things. So let me download this as well. So I saved that. So now the question is how to restore it to a different site. So we leave Genomio site and we'll go to our new site, say beta.highschool. So here again I logged in as a normal user, not an admin. Okay, here I was admin user in Genomio, but doesn't matter where you are, I mean which user you are. So now we come here and we want to restore it here, but as a normal user I don't see any restore button as such. Suppose if I come here, I don't see anything here as such. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just create a new course. That's all I can see. I just give a name XX and save and display. So there is a dummy course sitting here. Now I get this gear button on this, I say restore. So restore file, I have to put it here, and so I bring this XPice backup here. That 4.5 MB file is coming here. So this is just one course which we are doing the backup. So it is loaded, so let us say restore. So we will go step by step. So it is showing what all it is going to restore. So different pages, everything it is showing. Say continue. So it is asking which category you want to. So we will put miscellaneous because miscellaneous exists in the new one. So and then say restore to this course, and you say delete the contents of the existing one, because that is a dummy thing which we created. Okay. So now here we continue. Enrollment method. So we go by default settings, and user role assignments, if you want you can take that, and then you go see grade history and course logs are excluded. Now see this name overwrite, so that we can say yes here, so that this particular name comes, that XX, whatever that name X will be overwritten, and remaining all we can just leave it to the defaults. Next, and now we go and perform restore. Okay, it complains because 3.9 and this is 3.8, but let us continue it. So normally you should not do a restore to a lower version, but that is what apparently we have done here. Okay, so it has been restored successfully. So now the advantage is, see, now these I can start modifying here. Suppose if I want to just edit this, I can go and change any content, because since I restored it as a user Ajit, I own the course, not the system administrator. So that makes a setup where different teachers can have, I mean those different people can maintain their own courses. You don't have to go to you don't have to become the system administrator. So system administrator job you can see now as a this user is only a course creator, so very minimal things are coming here actually. So you go and become a system administrator only when you want to add users or you want to do some system administration jobs. So this is how you can do course restore things. But now we can try what will happen if you restore the other file, but that you cannot do here. Probably if you become system admin, that first file backup, if you restore here, that you can also explore that, but apparently nothing will be, or we can do one thing, we just create another course and see what happens. Just for curiosity's sake, we can try a restore to that. That was that front page thing. Now what we did. So here you get it. See, what you have done from there is only a front page backup. So it is, remember that when you do a backup on that, it's only a front page backup, it is not a site backup. And site backup you can do only by logging to the system and taking a database backup and taking a zip file of Moodle data and all those things. So that has to be done at a different level. Okay, that's all about it.